20 affected candidates filed an application on Thursday, January 30, seeking an order for WAEC to release their results. With WAEC's latest legal move, the fate of the affected students remain uncertain as they await the court's decision on the stay of execution.
There has been a court case and there has been a ruling which we have filed a stay of execution pending appeal. Now we are yet to get a copy, typed out copy of the ruling so that we can actually study it as lawyers and then respond as appropriate. The court makes a ruling based on the facts as the court perceives before it. Okay, and as we are aware, courts are human institutions. They make rulings, and they can really look at their own rulings. It's an issue of perhaps WAEC clarifying further what the position is and urging on the court to take a second look at its ruling. We are having people finishing degrees, masters, and I dare say, with some reputation, PhD, who are not worth their salt. I think that WAEC is only making a contribution to ensuring that we keep the gate so that we don't have people going through to become lawyers, doctors, even there's maybe judges, and so on and so forth, who have not gone through the rigor of study. I think we should be very careful as a nation. So I admit that, yes, we can, the situation can improve further. And that is a call for more resources, human resources, other resources, so I can do the work on all of us on behalf. We should not forget, all of us are behalf. If we feel as a nation that we should let people go, mass of people go who have cheated, well, let's say so. But we should remember, whatever we sow, we will reap.
Your lawyer for the applicant, Martin Pegu, has expressed disappointment in WAEC's decision to file a stay of execution. He joins us on the Zoom now with some more. So, WAEC says it has filed a stay of execution. What's your next plan of action?
Well, so we will have to be given a copy by the court. But even this morning, we took proactive steps to go to the court to fetch a copy for ourselves, because sometimes, even though my office is just about 10 minutes, strictly 10 minutes from the court, that document to be brought to us, it can take 3-4 days, sometimes even 1 week.
Okay.
So because we don't want this process to stall any further, we went to the court, and since morning we've not cited a copy of that process. What we rather were told they had filed was a notice of appeal. Even that one, the court process was so slow that from morning till close of day, we couldn't get a copy. So maybe next time WAEC say they filed a notice of appeal, any document they say they filed, you should ask for a copy. Because as I'm sitting here, from morning, we're in the court registry. I'm not alone. I work with a team of lawyers. So others were in there trying to secure a copy of whatever WAEC filed. What we were told was a notice of appeal, not an application for stay of execution.
Okay.
So maybe if WAEC have heard, then they should produce it now. Let's see. The two are different. A notice of appeal is different from an application for stay of execution.
Okay. If that's the case, so what you're waiting for now is for WAEC to follow the court orders, right?
Absolutely. Because, I've mentioned it time and again that, look, this decision by WAEC is traumatizing